which is kind of what you ended up doing today. You're like, hey, I woke up late. I still had my detox drink, my coffee, so you're still having that. Your green's on the way to work. I'm sorry, so you had your coffee afterwards, and then you're having a big lunch. I think that's going to be the easiest outline, is the day that you end up sleeping in and you're skipping that morning, just keep it liquid. So you don't even have to think. That's going to make things really, really easy. And for fat burning, I'm sure you've heard of intermittent fasting. That's what you're doing anyway. You're just skipping breakfast. You're pushing it back a little bit. I think that's going to be the easiest thing without having to manipulate too much. So on a PM training day, something late, everything is exactly the same, okay? You just slide that workout drink till later on at night. Now, things that you're probably thinking of is, well, you know, what happens to this mid-morning snack? My half a peanut butter or half an apple with half carrots, celery. Technically, if you were really, really, really hungry, you definitely, I guess, could eat that right before lunch on like a fasting day. But I would try to push that back till lunch, and you could take that half an apple and just slide it. If you notice here, I just slid that right underneath here. Okay, so on a PM training day, detox drink, greens, coffee, huge lunch, and that apple, that snack, you're now just gonna have later on in the afternoon. So that's the template we're gonna start with this week. And again, we're gonna have to take the entire week to adjust and refine. So real big points is that everything looks actually exactly the same. It's just you just move things based on when you work out. You're always gonna have a 25-25 meal post-workout, no matter what. So if it's in the morning, it's gonna be here. If it's at night, it's going to be later on in the day. The workout nutrition is the same. You know, I think where you're struggling with the most is what to do in that mid-morning period. After you work out, you are going to be hungry all over again. That's why I think that snack is really helpful right here, and then lunch. Remember, that's as far as we're looking at. On a non-AM workout day, you're going to follow the same thing. You're going to try to not have that snack because you didn't work out. And once you don't eat, you don't cue your body to eat in a fasted state, so you can really push that back to lunch and then just have that half a peanut butter before your workout. You see what I'm saying? So it's a really, really easy way to hammer out your nutrition without packing extra meals. You're just packing your workout and your snack almost every day, and you're just putting that in different places. All right, so to recap, again, processed grains are out for this week. And adding in filler vegetables whenever you can. I think the three easiest ones, and if you don't like these, please let me know. I'll give you others, are cucumbers, celery, and carrots. And those go really well with a bunch of dips like hummus or peanut butter and nut butter is the easiest way to fit that in. And I did go on a huge rant about cinnamon, on adding that into your peanut butter or sprinkling on your apple. That does help mitigate insulin on how quickly it reacts in your body. So we want to keep insulin really, really low. So by adding some cinnamon, that helps delay the effect of when the insulin hits your body, which means you're not going to have as much as an effect on the carbohydrate. So really just put some extra cinnamon whenever you can on fruits or oatmeal or anything that you like to put cinnamon on. Having that 25-25 adjustment, which we already did, so that's almost kind of done for the week, and then just fine-tuning alcohol a little bit. So this is going to kind of how each week is going to be moving forward. We're going to be making these small adjustments until we find these chunks of sliding things that will work for you based on your lifestyle. If you sleep in or you work out in the morning, either way,